So hey everyone, this is Omi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I will be showing the rooms of IIIT-K. In fact, this is my room only. So let's start the video. So this is my room BCD 422 and this one is the entrance. And we are here provided with three buttons, two for lights and one for fan. And this one is the room here. So here we are provided with three beds and three table chair. One is this, and one is this. Three table and three chair. Actually, the third one is here. So, and you can see this much is the capacity of room, the size of room. And moreover, we are provided with two cupboards here and two socket connections like here and there. And also we have provided that cable for internet connections, for high-speed internet connections in fact. And so now I will be merging some cinematic shots of room. Let me show our balcony. So this is the view from our balcony. Actually it is night, so you can't see the beauty here. Like if it is the morning, then you can see all it's covered with mountain areas. In fact our college is situated in mountain now, so the view from here is too nice. In fact, the room other side of this the view from the other side of this hostel is totally different. And this is the balcony. Here we have hanged to some ropes for hanging our clothes.